Hey everybody, Joe Liptak, audio engineer here. Today I'm going to be talking about downloading and installing drivers for your Dell sound card. Now this process is actually pretty simple. Dell made it really easy and they have a very simple website, easy to navigate. I'll show you how to get your drivers. First thing you want to do is go to www.dell.com. Then you want to find their support page. Next thing you want to do is find the drivers section. Okay, now here you can have Dell automatically search for connected devices and show you the drivers for them, or you can manually look up the drivers for the device you're looking for. My recommendation is to just have Dell search for your connected sound card. Just make sure you have Java enabled. Okay, once Dell has located and found your device, or you found your device, click and download the driver. Next, run the installation for the driver. Once you're done with the installation, you'll have to restart your computer. After that, you're all set up, ready to go. So I hope this video helped you find the drivers for your Dell sound card. I'm Joe Liptak. Thanks for watching, guys.